That provolone is sharp.
There's not enough mess in here.
Number one looks really good. The meat looks pretty thick.
There's a lot going on.
I think the texture of the bread goes with this sandwich. It's a messy sandwich. The bread isn't too crunchy. It's not too soft either.
It's like beef strips. Remember steakums? Not ideal, but I do want like a steak to wrap my teeth into.
I like it a lot. It's got the flavors I'm looking for with a Philly cheesesteak.
There's poblanos. There's a pepper in there. It's not too hot.
I like the taste of the peppers, and the bread is like a really soft introduction to what's going on inside. I taste the cheese, but I really enjoy the taste of the peppers.
And the quality of the meat is really good on here, which some might say is ruining a Philly cheesesteak because it's supposed to be low quality.
And there's caramelized onions all day.
Okay, and let's go number two.
All right, this bread is killing me.
No, it's not messy enough. There's not enough mess in here.
I call the dentist tomorrow.
Number two is really, really good. It's got mustard.
Is there a mustard sauce? Yeah.
I like that there's mustard, but that's not even close to a Philly cheesesteak.
The sauce really dominates in this one. I enjoy the Philly sandwich more just because of the taste, just the peppers and the bread itself.
Number two actually wins me over because it's just, I like that it's a twist on the Philly cheesesteak.
Number one is a clear-cut winner. I mean, it looks like a cheesesteak.
Bobby Flay? No. No?
If you were to serve that somewhere in Philly, you know how they are. Like they're gonna boo Santa Claus. So God knows what they're gonna do to Jamie Oliver because of a healthy cheesesteak.